Welcome to Renovated Homes in ATL. Happy New Year. It's Brandon Hinton, your dynamic Atlanta realtor, and I'm back with another stunning renovation located right here in the Atlanta area. Before we dive into today's episode, please be sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button to stay notified of my latest videos and content. If you're in the market or know of anyone looking to buy, sell, or invest here in Atlanta or its surrounding areas, please visit my website, renovatedhomesinatl.com. Drop in your contact information and let's tap into your real estate goals today. Today's episode, we are showcasing in Atlanta's historic Grant Park community. This 1920 original build has been fully reimagined into a retreat that blends historic charm and modern convenience. This bungalow craftsman-style home features tall 11-foot ceilings and 100-year-old originally stained glass and beautiful texture accent walls throughout. This home is just steps away from Zoo Atlanta and is ideally situated near the Atlanta Beltline, Summerhill Eateries, and Georgia State University. With 2,440 square feet, this home includes 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a single water closet. Primary suite on the main level. Yep, you got it. This home is presented to the market at $849,000. Please let me know your thoughts on the renovation down in the comment section. As for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy this episode of Renovated Homes in ATL.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When bombs scream until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Tell me
nothing.